find these other people.
See it coming in?
Yeah.
Okay, film it.
I'm filming it.
Just so you can see it. Just hold it steady.
Alright.
Okay, now pan it that way a little bit. Very good.
Got it in that. Okay.
Wow. This is something else. I'm gonna go over to Pal's.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I'll leave here for you. Keep walking.
Mom, this is not a good place to be at because you can't see crap.
No.
Go down here. There ain't another driveway. I don't know what.
I'll turn right. Just keep filming.
All right.
I just want to keep away from it, you know?
Yeah. Here, you want to go home now? The sirens are going or what? Or turn left.
Copy, Rachel Rankin and some hail. And estimated 60 mile an hour wind.
Come on, roll down that back window back there.
Wow, look it right there behind you. Film it out.
Here. Roll down all the windows.
Lower your seat and you can go back there. I'm going to go ahead, okay?
All right, go. Ooh, this is kind of spooky. Roll down, roll up that back window.
Northeast of all additional cell developing now, southwest of we have covered downside. understand your sound sirens in Blair at this time. And you have good front.
This will take us all the way to the main road, right?
Yeah. Okay. Are we going back to the fire station?
Yeah, I don't know where else to go. Can't go remote cellar because we'll drown.
Oh.
Is this main?
Yeah, turn right.
Is that measure? That's estimated wind speed, sir.
Oh.
What?
70 miles an hour. Okay, KC 993.
Some of them have, not all of them.
Oh. Look at that. Are they here?
Yeah, Denny is.